Hello friends, this video focuses on the top 5 best VR headsets of 2023. Through massive research and analysis, I've compiled a list of options available based on their features, quality, prices, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, I've covered different options for every type of customer. Further, I've provided updated links for the best prices in the description box below. Please watch the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. At the 5th position of our list, we have Nintendo Labo Toy Kit, known as the best for Nintendo Switch available in 2023. The Nintendo Labo VR Kit isn't exactly virtual reality, at least not in the same sense as every other headset on this list. It's much more in the spirit of something like Google Cardboard, LEGOs, or even arcade games. For starters, half of the experience of the Labo VR Kit is in the assembly. The kit includes tons of cardboard that you assemble yourself into 6 different VR controllers, headsets, and oddities to play games with. Each creation takes hours to craft, but thankfully the Labo software includes detailed 3D instructions you can touch through on your Nintendo Switch. Also unique are the games. Every game is designed to be played with 2 people. From controlling a bird looking for food to battling aliens with an oversized blaster, these games are short, fun, and kid-friendly. Some of the available 64 games aren't exactly VR, but do utilize the unique controllers of the Labo kit. While it may not have the long-lasting appeal of a traditional VR headset, the Nintendo Labo kit is truly innovative. It's also one of the only kid-centric VR options around. Moving on to the 4th position, we have HP Reverb G2, known as the best mixed reality headset available in 2023. It's incredibly easy to recommend the HP Reverb G2 thanks to its consistently high performance across our testing metrics. This headset offers fluid tracking, great visuals, and user-friendly functionality. Moreover, the virtual desktop provided in the mixed reality portal blurs the line between real and simulation, which may intrigue those who frequently use Windows operating tech. And while the mixed reality is exciting, the entire experience that the HP Reverb G2 offers is finely crafted and immersive. However, the HP Reverb G2 is held back from overall greatness by a few issues, the most glaring of which is the complete incompatibility with glasses. Throughout our tests, our testers who wear glasses found them crammed against their faces and exceptionally uncomfortable, showcasing a deal-breaking flaw for those who can't play without them. Also, a strong PC setup is a requirement to run this headset, which may further alienate some. And while it's the best headset offering mixed reality today, this budding technology certainly has room to improve with future iterations. However, with such exceptional gaming quality and the uniqueness of the mixed reality, those who can comfortably use it will be in for a treat. The number 3 position is held by PlayStation VR, known as the best console VR headset in 2023. PSVR offers great benefits for a console add-on. It delivers adequate support for developers and publishers to ensure you get the best games. In addition to hardware and settings, gaming is where PlayStation VR really stands out. Launch games are almost entirely great from start to finish. The headband is a bit tighter compared to others, which mostly uses stretchy materials rather than solid plastic and rubber filled with foam, but at least it seems convincingly firm and can be adjusted to fit comfortably. PlayStation VR uses a 1080p OLED panel that offers 960x 180 pixels per eye. The device also has a smaller viewing angle than its rivals. But this doesn't matter when you're at the heart of a good game. What matters is a refresh speed. The higher the frame rate and refresh rate, the less likely it is that VR headphones will make you dizzy. A decent pair of Sony headphones is included in a package. You can use your own headphones, of course, with virtual surround sound over your ears, which is probably the most convenient option. You know you can start shooting right out of the box. The PlayStation VR system uses shortcuts through an exceptionally smart tracking system, where the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive use expensive infrared tracking sensors and mostly hidden infrared points. The PSVR relies on strong LED lights captured by an existing PlayStation camera. Next, at number 2, we have HTC Vive Pro 2, the best premium VR headset in 2023. If you're entering the VR market excited for the absolute premium experience, then look no further than the Vive Pro 2 headset. Topping the charts in 3 of our 5 metrics, this headset is easily the strongest performer we tested. With this model, you'll get massive play areas, fantastic tracking, a streamlined design that caters to users with glasses, and, not to mention, gorgeous visuals. When the Vive Pro 2 shines, the premium offering is genuinely incredible. However, in the ever-innovating world of VR headsets, even the premium experience does have a few issues. The Vive Pro 2 suffers when it comes to setup. Requiring sensors to achieve fantastic tracking, there is a requirement to set up an array around your play area. And if the price was not already high, the entry level for this headset is a high-performing PC, which most laptops will not meet. Overall though, if you can meet the PC and financial requirements for the Vive Pro 2, it offers the best VR experience available. Finally, the number one position is dominated by Meta Quest 2, known as the best overall VR headset in 2023. The Meta Quest 2, formerly known as the Oculus Quest 2, is the best VR headset for most people. It's one of the only VR headsets that runs completely on its own, without needing a PC or gaming console. This wireless freedom, alongside an affordable price, make it an accessible entry point into VR as a whole. Physically, the Meta Quest is simple, comfortable, and has good enough specs to provide a quality, but not stunning, all-around experience. Unlike more expensive VR headsets, the software in the Meta Quest is designed for simplicity. The Oculus Guardian system guides users through setup and creating a play space wherever they are, no camera setup needed. Exiting the designated play space turns on pass-through, meaning you see the real world, and any potential obstacles you might be about to bump into. The Meta Quest is compatible with a ton of different software, from gaming platforms like Meta and Steam VR to other apps like Google VR, Oculus TV, and more. That's all for today regarding our top 5 picks of best VR headsets in 2023. We upload Amazon product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest video notification.